Hey everyone, it's Ronnie at SLATOR, and I took this photo on the job site today, and let's talk about this anchor. So this is a butterfly anchor, and I've got the attic view in the upper left. This nail is that nail, this nail is that nail is that nail, and that nail is that nail, which is on the other side of that rafter right there. So, what's going to happen in real life? So, let's say leaning over, they fall. And of course, they had all this slack, and it went around the anchor. They were connected. But you know how they walk. It was slack. So when they go over the edge, that's no longer slack. That tightens real fast. And they have a lot of force going that way. So if we look at the nails, they put 4 nails in a line. And they're loading it perpendicular to that line. So that line actually acts as a pivot point. And you don't have a whole lot holding this in. You've got one by sheathing. You're not in a rafter. So what's going to happen when they fall? This is going to pivot. The anchor's going to roll out. And they die. This is, on this job, this is probably 40 feet down. So what this tells me is that there's no training. They're in a hurry. Time is money, right? So they think until they run out of time. They didn't have enough nails. They should have had nail here, 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 here. But the anchor should have been rotated 90 degrees, and you can't put it over top of that anyway. So it's the wrong anchor. Not enough fasteners. Fasteners, not in a rafter. Wrong orientation. So the whole thing is just bad. There's no reason. That's what it looked like. And that anchor is going to wind up on top of that person on the ground. Anyway, great people trying to do a job. Let's not let them die.